Good morning students. Good morning Riddhi. So this is your EVS class and now open your EVS book. Did you open your EVS book? Riddhi, use your chat box. I can't hear you. Use your chat box. You can use your chat box, okay? Good morning everyone. Good morning Indrakshi. Open your EVS book and use your chat box. If anything to say, use your chat box, okay? So let's start. This is your EVS class and your third chapter, growing up. This chapter already started, right? So tell me that which things can grow? Do you know which things can grow? Good morning. Which things can grow? Very good, Saptarshi. Living things. Living things can grow, right? And do you know the big plant from which things a big plant grow? From which things a big plant grow? Indrakshi, use your chat box. Seed. Pratyushna is telling seed. Very good. From a small seed, a big plant grow. From a small seed, a big plant grow. Very good. Very good, Pratyushna, Indrakshi, Riddhi. I got your answer that from a small seed a big plant grows. And do you know that a baby grows up, then which it be? When a baby grows up, then which it be? When a baby grows up to be a girl or boy, right? When a baby grows up to be girl or boy, okay? And you have now, do you know, so from when we born, that time what we are? When we took born, that time what we were? We were, very good Pratyushna. When we born, that time what we are? Baby. Very good Pratyushna. When we took born, we were baby, right? We were all were baby. So now from a baby, you all grow up, right? You all grow up and now you all are girl or a boy, right? And after some years, when you grow up more, you will become a young woman and young man. Now that's we or your teachers, that they are young woman and man. And after many years, when we grow old, when we all grow old, we become. Indrakshi, can't you see me? Can you see me now? Indrakshi, use your chat box. I can't hear you. Use chat box. And when we grow with age, we all grow up and our looks will be change also. Okay, our looks. But do you know that which two things remains the same? Do you know anyone which two things remains the same throughout our life? Do you know any two things which won't change? Won't change. Which? Very good, Riddhi. Pratyushna, can you listen me now? Maybe there is a network problem, okay. So hold on, you can hear me. Now tell me that which two things won't change in our life? Which two things remains the same throughout our life? The two questions are the same meaning. Which have the same meaning? That the answer will be the same, that which two things won't change in our life or remains the same throughout our life. Anyone know this? Which two things? Anyone? All are mute, Pratyushna, all are mute already. And students, the rest of students who didn't mute your microphone, please mute it. Please mute your microphone and listen my words properly. So tell me the answer. Anyone can't hear me? Pratyushna, can you hear me? Indakshi? If you hear me, so use your chat box. Riddhi, do you know that which two things remains the same throughout our life? Anyone? Very good, Riddhi, your answer, that color of our eyes. The color of our eyes and the color of our skin remains same throughout our life. Okay, that two things. First one is Orpita. Now can you see me? The color of our eyes and the color of our skin remains the same throughout our life. Okay. And which things do you know? Which things of our body parts remains the same till we start growing old, remains the same till when we start growing old. But when we all grow old, that things will be changed. Do you know what is the part? Which things is this? Anyone know this? There is a things of our body parts that remains the same till we grow old. Remains the same till we grow old. Very good, Riddhi, but it's the perfect answer will be the color of our hair, not only hair, the color of our hair, right? The color of our hair, that is the right answer. So, the color of hair remains the same till we grow old and till we start growing old. And when we grow old, that things, that color of hair change, that times these things will change. And if now our hair color is black, and when we grow old, that change to grey, and after some times, after some days or years, it will change to white. Okay. So, that time our color will change from black to white. Now, go to the page number 22. Go to page number 22. This is your question time. Very good, Pratyushna, Aditya. The right answer is hair color. Now open the page number 22. This is your question time. Okay, so open it and also open your copy book. Also open your copy book with your textbook. So this is your question time, and first is tick the correct word. So did you all open your copy book? Students, open your copy book fast. This is your question time. Follow the question number A. Tick the correct word. There is a sentence and you have to tick the correct answers. There are already two options in the questions. Okay. And you have to tick the correct answer. So, first one is question number 1, all or some. There are the two options, first all or some. Living things grow. So, please follow the book, not book or Pratyushna. I already told you, open your copy book. Open your copy book. Very good, Saptarshi, Riddhi. All living things grow. Open your copy book and write down this. All living things grow. So, the right answer is all. Okay. There are two options, all or some, and the right answer is all. Pratyushna, you have to write down these answers in your copy book. So, open your copy book and write it now. There are two options, all or some. Living things grow. So, the right answer is all. All living things grow. Okay. Everyone write this. Very good, Nihan, Aditya. Next, question number 2. A, big or small. The options are big or small. Plant grows from a big or small seed. These answers summary of the book. You get the summary of the book at the same page. So, which very good, Saptarshi. A big plant grows from a small seed. The answer is a big. Big is the right answer. Plant grows from a very good Aritro, Hidi, Protushna, small seed. Okay, so first one is very good Nihan. So question number 2, a big or small plant grows from a big or small seed. So the right answer is big plant grows from a small seed. The first options will be big and the second options will be small. Okay, so the correct sentence is a big plant grows from a small seed. Okay. Next question number 3. We are born as, there are two options, seeds or babies. There are two options, seeds or babies. We are born as babies. Very good. Protushna, Rehangshi, Aritro. So, we are born as babies. The right answer is, right option is babies. Okay. So, when we are born as babies. Very good Nihan, Riddhi. I got your answer. Very good. Now go for question number 4. When we grow old, the color of our hair or eyes change. There are also two options. Very good Jibondesha, babies is the right answer. Putushna, Nihan, Saptarshi, Riddhi, I got your answer. So question number 4, did you all copy this in your copy book? Did you all copy this? If not, do this. So the question number 4, when we grow old, the color of our hair change. So the correct answer is hair. When we grow old, the color of our hair changes. Okay. So very good Rehangshi or Riddhi, Nihan. I got your all answers and very good, they are all correct. Okay. And now I will repeat these answers once again. You can check it with your copy book. So if you didn't do this in your copy book, do it now. Okay, do it now in your copy book, not textbook. I repeat very much this. Question number 8, tick the correct word. You have to tick the correct word. The first question is, there are two options, all or some living things grow. So the right answer is all, and the sentence is all living things grow. All living things grow. And the next question number 2, a big plant, big or small, there are also two options and the right option is big. A big plant grows from a small seed. A big plant grows from a small seed. Okay. And next question number 3, we are born as babies. We are born as babies. And the next question number 4, when we grow old, the color of our hair change. When we grow old, the color of our hair change. Okay. Now go for question number B. These young ones grew up and changed. You have to draw the lines to match. You can do this in your textbook. That there are some pictures. Can you see? There are some pictures. There are some pictures of babies and the young ones. So you have to match this with draw a line. So first you can see that there is a small girl, right? There is a small girl. So which one is the correct match? Do you know which one is the correct match? There are also a young woman. You can see there are also a young woman. So the correct match is the small girl is matching with young woman. Okay. Small girl is matching with young woman. Very good reading. And next you can see a tadpole. You can see a tadpole. Which is the tadpole is we call the baby of frog. Okay. The baby of frog we called it tadpole. Tadpole, tadpole. Okay. And this tadpole is matching with frog. This tadpole is matching with frog. Okay. And very good Pratyushna, very good Riddhi, frog, very good Aritro, I got your answer. Girl to tadpole to a cup to tiger. Very good Pratyushna, I got your answers all. The next is a cub. The cub is matching with this tiger. The baby tiger, you can see here a baby tiger and it's matching with a big tiger, right? So you can draw a line with this between them, baby tiger which is called cub and the tiger. And next you can see a small boy, right? You can see here a small boy. Very good reading. You can see here a small boy and it's matched with a young man. It's matched with a young man. Okay. So you can draw the line in your book. You can do this in your book because there are pictures, or you can write down it in your copybook also by using their names. That first one is your little girl and it's matching with a young woman, and next one is a tadpole, it's matching with a frog, and then it's a cub and it's matching with a tiger, and after that there is a little boy which is matching with a young man. Okay. So you have to do, you can do this. Very good Riddhi, Aritro, it's young man. You can do this at your home. You have to practice it more and more, these question times, and this growing up text you have to read very attentively. Okay. So do this and write down in your copy book, not book. Okay. I mentioned it very time, obviously your copy book. So that's all for today. Read it very attentively. Have a nice day and bye.